get this Windows error fixed on Windows with our video guide. Now this file error is a component of the Microsoft Visual C or a distributable package. And if there are any issues with this package, it might lead to this error. So to fix it, open Control Panel, open Programs and Features, locate and select the Microsoft Visual C package on the list, click the Change option, hit the Repair option, and wait for the process to be completed. Next, if updating does not help, you might need to reinstall the application by downloading it from this website. Select your preferred language settings, and then click Download. Now double-click on the downloaded setup file and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation process. It is also possible that the error in question is occurring due to a bug within Windows. Now if that's the case, installing pending Windows updates should help fix it. So do it by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Now that's how you can fix the following Windows error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.